Hi everyone, my name's Paul from Bernie's Learnings. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to create drop-down lists in Excel, which is pretty straightforward. The first thing you need to do is select the cell where you want the drop-down list to appear. And then the next step is to select data from the ribbon and then data validation. Once you're in data validation, it will give you several options of the type of data validation that you can apply to the cell. In our case, we're interested in creating a list. Once you have that, then you need to tell it what information you want to appear in the list. Now you can manually enter the data, so for example, if you only have 2 or 3 options, such as yes and no, you can just enter it with a comma and a space between each option, and that will create a yes and a no drop down. However, if you've got a lot of choices, so in the case of the months of the year we have 12, then this is impractical. Now to create a drop down list from these values, the process is the same. We go to data, then data validation, select list, and then for the source, you put an equal sign and then select the area where the values are in your spreadsheet, and then click OK. Now, if you are on a different cell, this process will also work because you can see that you can reference different cells. In my case, however, we're on the same cell, so that doesn't matter. And once we've done that, we can click OK, and we'll have a drop-down list with all the values that are relevant. The other way that you can approach it too is to actually name the range. So, for example, if I highlight this range, I can go over here and I can give it the name month, for example, click enter, and that range is now named as month. Now, if I want to then use that range in the data validation, I do the same process, data validation, lists, and then if I put in equals month, I will get the same result. Okay, so there's a couple of different ways to do it. Now, I hope you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Cheers, guys.